In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in DocHub. If you've ever tried to email or upload a PDF and ran into size limits, this quick workflow will help you shrink the file while keeping it usable. We'll start inside DocHub. Open the document you want to shrink, make sure everything looks final, and then export it. In the top area, click Export, then choose Download PDF. DocHub will generate the file and your browser will save it to your computer. Pick a folder you can find easily, like your desktop or downloads. It's a good idea to keep this original copy in case you want to compare quality later. Next, head to a free PDF compression website. You can search for PDF compressor and choose a reputable option. Since you're using a third-party site, avoid uploading anything that contains sensitive or confidential information. These tools all work similarly. You upload your file, the site compresses it, and you download the smaller version. Upload the PDF you just saved from DocHub to the compressor. When you're given quality choices, select strong or maximum compression if your file is very large or you need the smallest possible size. Strong compression often reduces images and embedded elements more aggressively, which cuts size fast. Just know that going stronger can soften images or lower clarity a bit, especially in scanned documents. If you're worried about legibility, you can start with a standard setting and if needed, try a stronger pass afterward. When the compression finishes, download the new PDF to your computer. Many sites will show the before and after size. Use that to confirm you got a meaningful reduction. Save the file with a clear name like project name / compressed so you don't overwrite your original. Now bring that smaller file back into DocHub. Open DocHub, click New, choose Upload Document, and select the compressed PDF you just downloaded. Once it loads, flip through a few pages to make sure everything displays correctly and that text remains readable. You can now share, sign, or collaborate on this optimized version just like any other DocHub document. That's it, you exported from DocHub, compressed the PDF with a free online tool, downloaded the smaller file, and re-uploaded it to DocHub. This simple loop helps you meet upload limits, send files faster, and keep projects moving. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined PDFs.